Welcome back, guys. So in this video I will show you how I installed these locks. They're very easy to install, very lightweight, and you can do so much with these locks, you guys. So keep watching and I'll show you how I did it. So the first thing I want to do is show you guys my braid pattern. I did regular individuals in front and then cornrows in the back. As you can see, I did twist in front just so it's easier to take down this hair, and then the cornrows are not perfect. The lines don't have to be straight. You just have to get it done for what you need. So I used the Outre Expression Straight Bahama Locs. It's 18 inches. I think it also comes in 14 inches if you prefer. And I got two color 1Bs and one color 1. Those two colors actually blended. And then this is what it looks like inside the pack. Very lightweight and very natural texture as well. It comes with goddess ends, which is, all the rave right now, this goddess look. So yeah. So for the install, it's a straightforward crochet method. All I'm doing is trying to make sure I pull my hair strand into the lock extension for the front for the individuals. The back is going to be regular crochet style. So what I'm going to do is open my crochet needle, and then I typically go by measuring the length of my hair and start right below that and just start pushing the needle into the hair extension and push it all the way to the bottom and then pull my hair through it. That way my hair is inside the locks, right? So that way it lasts long, my hair is not showing out of it and stuff like that. So keep watching and hopefully you can see what I'm doing, and it's much easier than me trying to explain this. All right, so that's it after the install. I just went in with some extra strands that I had left and filled up the back. The back is just regular crochet, nothing too fancy. And then the next day, I think I went in with some edge control just to, you know, lay my edges and whatnot. And that's basically it for this. Let me know what you guys think down below. I wanted to do some locks, but I didn't want to spend too much time with all individual locks, so I just did individuals in the front, and it sort of helps you part this hair whichever way you want. The hair I used, and I will put everything in the description box below where you can get this hair online, but I actually got this one from my local beauty supply store, so check that first. This is the Expression straight Bahama Locs in 18 inches. Oh, Outre Expression, actually, right there. So this, I think I have a video, an old video about this locks on my channel somewhere. I don't know, but I'll check. But it looked familiar to me. If I do, I will put the link of the old video and you guys can sort of compare, if you will. But this method works for me. I think that one I did all individuals. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button to just give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also share, and of course subscribe to my channel to help me grow. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you in my next video.